Hi everyone, welcome to Apache Spark Deep Learning Recipes by Ahmed Sharif and Amrith Ravinder, a video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Alistair Ruane and I'll be the voiceover artist for this course. Ahmed Sharif is a data scientist who has been working with data in various roles since 2005. He started off with BI solutions and transitioned to data science in 2013. In 2016, he obtained a master's in predictive analytics from Northwestern University, where he studied the science and application of ML and predictive modeling using both Python and R. Lately, he has been developing ML and deep learning solutions on the cloud using Azure. In 2016, he published his first book, Practical Business Intelligence. He currently works as a technology solutions professional in data and AI for Microsoft. Amrith Ravinder is a machine learning enthusiast who holds degrees in electrical and industrial engineering. While pursuing his master's, he dove deeper into the world of ML and developed a love for data science. Graduate-level courses in engineering gave him the mathematical background to launch himself into a career in ML. He met Ahmed Sharif at a local data science meetup in Tampa. They decided to put their brains together to write a book on their favorite ML algorithms. He hopes that this book will help him achieve his ultimate goal of becoming a data scientist and actively contributing to ML. Let's take a look at what we've got in store. Section 1. Creating a neural network with Spark explains the process of developing a neural network from scratch without using any deep learning libraries such as TensorFlow or Keras. Section 2. Pain points of convolutional neural networks walks through some of the pain points associated with working on a convolutional neural network for image recognition and how they can be overcome. Section 3. Predicting fire department calls with Spark ML walks through developing a classification model for predicting fire department calls from the city of San Francisco using Spark machine learning. Section 4. Natural language processing with TF-IDF walks through the steps to classify chatbot conversations data for escalation. Section 5. Predicting Apple stock market cost with LSTM focuses on creating a deep learning model using LSTM on Keras to predict the stock market price of the AAPL stock. These would be the prerequisites of the course. Take a good look. This course takes you through a number of practical solutions covering a wide range of topics you need to know about Apache Spark Deep Learning Recipes. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey.